Hey, Lakers. Got your tentative schedule and realized you need to make an adjustment? Today, we're walking you through exactly how to request a course change at North Tahoe High School using our digital IK-12 form. First, a quick reminder. If you are looking at your schedule in the spring, remember that these are tentative. Teachers are not associated with classes yet, so please don't request a change just to switch teachers. Also, keep in mind that all schedules are subject to change based on school staffing needs, graduation requirements, or if you need specific remediation.
To get started, head over to the NTHS counseling website and click on Counseling Forms. You'll find the link for the course change request right there. Good news, it's fully available in both English and Spanish. You'll use our IK-12 platform to submit your request. Start by entering your full name and your email address. This step is super important because all of our communication will go through this system.
Once you're in the main form, fill it out completely. You must include your parent or guardian's email address. Why? Because after you finish your part, the form automatically emails them for their approval. Your counselor won't even see your request until your parent or guardian signs off on it.
Next, check the box for why you need the change. Then, use the grid to clearly select which class you want to drop and which class you want to add. There's also a notes section at the bottom if you need to give your counselor a little more context.
Now for a quick reality check. Not all schedule changes are possible. If a class you want is full, we will use Waitlists to keep track of space, just in case it opens up. Also, make sure you fill out every required field. If the form is incomplete, we have to send it back to you to fix, which delays your request.
When you're done, check the box stating you've read the policy, sign your name, and hit Continue to route it to your parent or guardian.
What happens next? Check your email. Keep a close eye on your inbox. We will use the IK-12 email system to send you a confirmation, ask for corrections, or explain why a change couldn't be made.
That's it. Thanks for being proactive about your schedule, and feel free to reach out to the counseling office if you have any questions.